Run that back, turbo.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it.
Okay, so we're here. I'm here with a rainy day vlog. Rainy day vlog because rainy day vlogs are the littest. Ralphie doesn't really know how to take this because it's really cold and wet. So he's kind of like, he's over here just like chilling. Ralphie, come here, buddy. I remember the first rainy day vlog. First vlog took place right here. If anybody wanted to know. First of all, I didn't know it rained this much, like at all. What I'm doing right now is taking a thumbnail so I can like get a good thumbnail so you guys are clicking on this video or something cool like that. So I'm thinking where the best place would be to take a thumbnail. I'm thinking like a really eerie, like foggy, like lane thing. Like, by the way, just cleaned my bike, looking fresh. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean Ralphie today. That kind of sucks, but that's that. I want like a puddle of water to have the camera lens like flaring into, so that it gives it like a really sick effect, dude. So it's the next day of shooting a vlog, and pretty sure a vlog isn't a vlog without scootering in it, because you just have to put scootering in the vlog, dude. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, that's a Porsche. Nice car, bro. Nice. Oh, this kind of stinks. It's kind of like really messy out here. Hold up. I tie my shoe, booter crew. Okay. We done did it, son. Okay, I think I'm gonna start off with some, wait, I don't know. Just hit up the quarter pipe a couple times really quick. Goodness. Oh, my lens be dirty, really. Ralph, what do you have to say about this, bro? What do you have to say? I got it. He wants his bone. Alright, we're getting out of here, Ralph. Come on. Whoa! Oh. Okay, well, that's it for the vlog. See you guys.